Y'all know we have had some crazy, crazy cold weather throughout our country. I mean, wow. So this may taste mighty good to y'all when we have cold snaps coming through. Or you can cut down your air conditioner low enough that you think it's cold. You think it's cold outside, and this soup is gonna taste mighty good. And it's a very easy lemon chicken soup. And I have just used a roaster from the grocery store because I have company coming in and I don't want to be in the kitchen all afternoon making this. So I've got fresh carrots, fresh onions, lemon juice, water, chicken stock, my chicken, and I have got some wonderful, wonderful rice. Now I love, I always use long grain, but I love jasmine rice.
That is jasmine.
Good. Teresa just told me this was jasmine. I don't think the recipe doesn't specify jasmine, but that's our personal preference. So I got a couple of tablespoons of olive oil in our pot, and I'm gonna throw in our onions and our carrots, and I'm gonna let them cook for about 4 minutes. Or maybe 5. Okie doke, it's been probably 5 or 6 minutes, and you'll notice that the carrots are cut in like a moon shape, and that's good because it'll fit on your spoon good. If you didn't do that, it might be a little more bundlesome to eat. All right, now I'm gonna pour in our stock. If you got homemade stock, which I love to freeze my stocks, whether it's shrimp or chicken or, whatever. All right, now I've got about 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice. And I've got 2 cups of water. So I'm gonna bring this back to a ball. And then I'm gonna add our rice. And then I'm gonna cover this and turn it on to a simmer so our rice can get done. And then we're gonna put in our chicken, and then we're gonna put our spoon in it. I think you're gonna like this one. While I'm waiting on our soup to come to a full ball, I just got to share with y'all that this is my son Jamie Deen's recipe, and it's in his book, Good Food. My kids have always, mine and Michael's children, have always, tried to cook healthy for their children. And this is one of those quick, easy meals that you can get together. In fact, if you got leftover chicken from the night before, that'd make a wonderful pot of quick soup. All right, now I'm gonna add a little fresh ground black pepper, not too much, and a little salt. And I'm gonna go light on that because my stock probably had enough salt in it to do the trick. So now I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of jasmine rice. And I think jasmine might be Jamie's favorite rice, although he didn't specify in this recipe. All right, so everything's in the pot. Now our chicken is already done, so I'll put that in at the last minute like Jamie has instructed and just heat it through, and then it's ready to eat. All right, so we're gonna put this on a simmer for about 20 minutes. And the rice should be nice and done, and our carrots and onions should be totally cooked too. So 20 minutes. All right, I got some beautiful fresh parsley here. Our soup is ready. So I just need to taste it for the seasoning. All right, so Jamie tells me to just chop some fresh parsley. And this smells so good, so earthy and natural. So we're just gonna throw this on top of our soup. Oh, those carrots are so pretty in there. The color is so pretty. Now, what did I do with our chicken?
That's right. There.
Okay, so we're gonna add our chicken and let that just get hot through and through. Look at that beautiful pot of soup. Son, that looks so good. All right, now I'm gonna give it a quick taste to see. What it needs. It's delicious and it's real lemony. But I think I'm going to add a little bit more pepper. And a little bit more salt. And we have a beautiful, beautiful pot of lemony chicken soup with jasmine rice. This is what the doctor ordered today. You know how some days you just feel like you don't feel quite right. You just feel like you need something good and kind of healthy tasting. That, like I said, I think this is just what the doctor ordered, y'all. And you can see there's no fat at all in this soup. So good. Like I said, it's real lemony. So I think Jamie said the juice of 2 lemons. So if you're not crazy over lemon flavor, you know, then just slowly add it. Add the juice of 1 lemon and then taste it and see what you think. All this needs is a piece of French bread, son. And you got a great meal. So my thanks goes out to Jamie for sharing this recipe with us. And my thanks to you for watching. Love and best dishes, y'all. God bless.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.